What I'm so excited to tell you about is a practice that made one of the most significant differences in my life as a woman that's 53. I'm in midlife, and I'm navigating living vibrantly with autoimmune myself. Healing Qigong is potent, wise, gentle, powerful, nourishing medicine. It is medicine in motion. I attribute my great energy to the practice of Healing Qigong.
Healing Qigong is a gentle, trauma-informed movement practice that uses the breath, sound, and stillness to regulate your nervous system and replenish your energy. Qigong is powerful because it's subtle. Absolutely no experience is necessary to participate in the Healing Qigong practices, and they can be done standing, seated, or lying down. As a certified yoga teacher and a certified Qigong teacher, I've put together our movement sets from the healing practices that I've learned over decades of study in many schools of yoga and many schools of Qigong to pull out the practices that are most effective at creating an environment for healing in the body.
Okay, you just saw Christopher doing Healing Qigong. And I can tell you, as a woman in midlife that's living vibrantly with autoimmune, these practices make all the difference in the world. They are wise, moving medicine in motion. We created this program for people like you, people who feel deeply, who care vastly, who give so much to others, and who are ready to come home to themselves.